Lincoln Center, this is Ms. Casillas from Reading Intervention, and I'm here to announce the winners of the Dragon Coloring Contest. So if you remember, we had this story by David LaRochelle, the author here who is coming to our school tomorrow. And for the coloring contest, your challenge was to draw and name a dragon, so your own mighty dragon. We received so many amazing dragons, and just like in the story, they are very creative, and many of them are doing interesting things. So I'd like to announce our winners. We'll start with kindergarten students. All right, for kindergarten, in third place, we have Elena Bobby. She made a mighty dragon called Pancake. In second place, we have Odin, and his mighty dragon is named Spike. And in first place, we have Josephine Davis. Her mighty dragon is called Underwear. Now you can see she even labeled its underwear. Congratulations to all of our kindergarten winners. All right, for first grade, in third place, we have Theron with a mighty dragon named Spider Fire. In second place, in first grade, we have Kaylee with a mighty dragon named Menchie. And in first place, we have Ben S. And his mighty dragon is named Flame. Congratulations to all of our first grade winners. Way to go, friends. All right, now we have our second grade winners. In third place, we have Lewis with his mighty dragon named Nike. In second place, we have Genesis, and the mighty dragon is named Star. And in first place for second grade, we have Logan B with a mighty dragon named Hunter. Way to go, second graders. All right, for our third grade students, in third place, we have Louisa, and her mighty dragon is named Fireball. In second place for third grade, we have Frankie with a mighty dragon named Fire. And in first place for third grade, we have Jace, the mighty dragon named Hedera. Awesome job, third graders. All right, let's look at fourth grade. For fourth grade, in third place, we have Miles. Miles had two dragons named Gentle and Giant. In second place for fourth grade, we have Catalina with this dragon named Draco or Draco. And in first place for fourth grade, we have Alistair with a dragon named Wacky. Really nice job, fourth graders. And last, we have our fifth graders. For our third place winner in fifth grade, we have Sophie S. with a mighty dragon named Gil. In second place for fifth grade, we have Ava with a mighty dragon named Riptide. And in first place for grade 5, we have Lyra with a mighty dragon named Raven. All right, thank you to everyone who participated in the Dragon Coloring Contest. You will see these dragons hung up in the band room and gyms 1 and 2 for our assembly with David LaRochelle tomorrow. Come with questions you might want to ask the author, either about his book or his creative process, or what it's like to be an author. We hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you for the assembly tomorrow.